Hi guys, I'm just going to use the compact hot plate. It's already on, it's quite hot. That's quite cool. That's the warm air just getting underneath the card. I'm going to tape this down with some of the heat-proof tape. Using one of my tools just to fasten that down. You'll see it's got a bit of a ridge in it, but it'll do what we want. It's just to show you that this tape works really well, to be honest. And there, I'm just pushing this down. What I want you to be able to see is where this tape's stuck really well, it'll give us a border. So down this side and down this side, but I've purposely missed that corner off. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm not going to mess about, I'm just going to chuck some wax on here really quick for you to see. Let's get this sponge, get a bit of this orangey colour. Some lilac. And get some brownie colours. Some indigo, a bit of green. I'm just going to get a tissue. Got a bit here, this will do. It doesn't matter that it's already got wax on it, okay? And I'm just going to push these colours together. Wipe across. Add some more lilac. Orangey colour. To reflect the colours that you've used in the sky type area. I just pull the tissue around so I've got a clean-ish bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Lightly blend them together. Excuse any banging and stuff, like I said, we've got door open. Bounce along there, mix up that wax. A bit of that. Indigo colour again. A bit of the brown. Blend them together. Then you can take anything you want really, the scrapey tool will do. This, just twist it and use that to push the wax out of the way, make a path like you would with pointy iron. can use it to pull your bits upwards like so. Can do some little pebbles with it, just on and off, swirl around a bit if you want. Then a few little bits going upwards, just to break that up a bit. Right, now to show you what I wanted to show you all along. What you can see is where the tape has been. The other bit's just moved, which is not quite what I wanted. Let's bring the other hand in. Just hold that down a second. Oops. Then what I'll do, I'll let this just set a second. Just lift it off beat altogether. So you've got down that side, look, a nice white border. This one where I didn't cover the corner, just to show you that the tape does work. Okay, and you can always like mask areas of your picture out with it or whatever. Just make sure it's pushed down, that's all you need to do. Okay, just something really quite simple on your compact hot plate.